Why does your scanner show the P1336 engine code, and what does it mean? The P1336 engine error code stands for the Crankshaft Position Sensor. The P1336 engine error code indicates that the crankshaft position CKP system variation has not been learned. This can be caused by the engine control module, ECM, detecting chipped gear teeth on the flywheel's signal plate. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged reluctor wheel, misaligned CKP sensor, excessive crankshaft runout, signal interference, pulse ratio issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Citroën, Ford, and Peugeot vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.